Black women start to go to these Freedmen's Bureau agents' office and say, you're supposed to be here to mediate. Let me just tell you what I'm dealing with. Some of the things they talk about, they complain. I said this last class, they start complaining about, I went to my employer and asked him for my $5, and he refused to pay me. What are y'all gonna do about that? Y'all are the federal, and again, this is a federal agency. Y'all have the power of the federal government to do this. Step in and do it. Another thing that happens, the Freedmen's Bureau agents here, and this is probably the biggest complaint they hear about Black women who their children have been taken. Under enslavement, y'all remember, the child did not belong to the mother. The child was an enslaved child, right? And so after, in freedom, white Southerners still believe that. This woman is not the mother of this child. And I kind of mentioned this last class, that labor is so important with children after the Civil War. White Southerners have to get back on their feet somehow, because this is a free labor society, right? They need as much labor as possible in some of these places. And so they take these women's children and in layman's terms, they enslave them. They say, this child no longer belongs to you. I'm not paying you nor them. Let it go. And so Black women come into the office and talk about this. My child was taken.